Good morning students. In this video class we are going to discuss about 12th standard computer science chapter 9 list tuples sets and dictionary. So in this lesson we already covered 5 topics, that is how to create a list and how to access elements in a list and what is the purpose we are using list length function, and then how to access all the elements in a list by using loop statements, and then how to change the elements present in the list. Okay, today we are going to discuss about how to add more elements in a list as well as how to insert a elements in a list. These two topics we are going to discuss today video class. Now you can see how to add more elements in a list. We can use 3 different kinds of function for this purpose. Adding elements in a list can be done by using these 3 functions. So what are the functions we need to add elements in a list? Append, extend, insert. Okay, so these 3 functions are used for add elements to the list. You can see what is the difference between these 3 functions. Okay, so first we take append function. Append function is used to add the element to the list. It is used to add only one element in a list, that also we can able to add at the end of the list. Okay, so these 3 functions are used for adding elements into the list. The first function is append. This append function is used to add only one element. You must understand this one. How many elements you can able to add? Only one element you can able to add by using this append function. Where it can be added? It can be added at the end of your list. Okay. Now you can see the syntax of this append function. Syntax: list dot append element to be added. So list is the variable name. Okay, so list dot append is the function name. After writing the function name within bracket, you have to specify the which element, which one you want to add into the list. Okay, so list dot append elements to be added. Now you can see the example. My list equal to 34, 45, 48. Here my list is the list name, and then the list elements are 34, 45, 48. Comma is used for separator. Okay. Now we can add one element to this existing list by using this append function. So my list dot append of 90. So within bracket you have to specify the element which one you want to add to this existing list. Here I will specify the element 90. 90 will be added into the previous list, existing list. Now I will print the list, print my list. You can see the output. What is the output? 34, 45, 48, 90. That is, the element 90 will be added in this list. Okay. Now you can able to understand append function is used to add a single element in a list. But it includes elements at the end of a list. Where you can able to add? We can able to add at the end of the list. Okay. Now I can move for the extend function. So extend function is used to add more than one element. Okay, is it clear? So append function is used to add only one element at a list, but extend function is used to add more than one element in a list. Okay, this is very important. In 1 mark it will be asked which function can be used to add one element in a list or more than one element in a list. One element in a list means we can say the append function. So more than one element means we can say the extend function. Okay, so more than one element to an existing list. In extend function, multiple elements should be specified within square brackets. So how you can specify this more than one element? These elements can be specified by using the square brackets. We already know square brackets are used to represent the list elements. Okay, so square brackets is the arguments of the function. Now you can see the syntax for extend function. So extend function is used to add more element to the existing list. that elements are given within the square brackets. Okay, now you can see the syntax. List dot extend within parenthesis, you have to specify the elements to be added. See the syntax carefully here. Elements to be added. In the previous example, what it can be given within the bracket, element to be added. That is, here we are using single element. Okay, but in this extended function we can give more than one elements. That's why we are writing elements to be added. Okay, so list dot extend within bracket elements to be added. Now you can see the example. My list is equal to 34, 45, 48. So in this list, how many elements are present? 3 elements are present. 1, 2, 3. Totally 3 elements are present in this list. Now you can use this extend function. We can add 3 more elements to this existing list. Okay, so see this statement. My list dot extend within parenthesis, you have to specify the element 71, 32, 29. Okay, so these are the elements we want to add to the existing element list. So print my list. Now you can see the output. We know what is the purpose we are using the print statement. Print statement is used to display the content on the monitor. So now you can see the output. So how many elements already present in this list? 3 elements. That is 34, 45, 48. Okay. After this, which elements we are added? Again 3 elements. That is 71, 32, 29. So this all elements is combined in a single list. Okay, for this purpose we are using the extend function. So extend function is used to add more than one element to the existing list. Now you can see the next examples. So now you see about what purpose we are using the insert function, that is inserting elements in a list. So insert function is used to insert elements in a list. Last 2 functions, that is append and extend function, are used to insert the elements at the end of the list only. Okay, now if you want to insert the element in particular position, so now you see this definition about insert function. The insert function helps you to include an element at your desired position. Where you want to insert, that particular position can able to insert the element by using this insert function. The insert function is used to insert an element at any position of your list. You can insert the element at the beginning of the list or last end of the list or in middle of the list. Where you want to insert the element, you can able to insert on that particular place. Now you can see the syntax of this insert function. List dot insert within parenthesis, you have to specify position index, element. So you must specify the position value, index value, where you want to insert. First position, last position, third position, whatever it may be. So you have to specify the position index value. And then you have to give the element. Okay. Now you can see the example. My list is equal to 34, 98, 47, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin, Srinivasan. We already know a list is having the collection of elements with different data types. Okay, so it is a heterogeneous collection of elements. Now we want to add one more element in this list. Which position you want to add? We want to add the element Ramakrishnan in the position 3rd. Okay. So in the place of Kannan, which name you want to insert? Ramakrishnan. Okay. Okay. Then this already existing name can move right side, can move one position to the right side. Okay. So if you are inserting new element to the existing list, so already element present in this list can be moved right side one position. Okay, so now you can see this statement, my list dot insert 3 is the index value, Ramakrishnan. So you see, where is the index value? 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is Kannan is index number 3. So print my list. Now you can see the output 34, 98, 47. Instead of Kannan, which one is displayed here? Ramakrishnan. Why the name Ramakrishnan will be displayed here? Because we are inserting the element. The third element is Ramakrishnan. So in this third position, the Ramakrishnan name Ramakrishnan will be placed here. Okay. Already in this third position, which name is appear? Kannan. Kannan, the name Kannan will be moved to the right side. Right side one position. So after the name Ramakrishnan, the Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin, Srinivasan, the elements are present. Okay. So in the above example, insert function, insert a new element Ramakrishnan at the index value 3, that is at the fourth position. Okay. While inserting a new element, the existing element shift one position to the right. So how many position can be shifted? Only one position to the right. So this is the way you can insert a element in a list. Okay. Is it clear? So three functions are used for adding elements to the list. Now you can see book back 1 marks related to this topic. So first question, let list 1 equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then print a list of minus 2. What will be the result of this one? We know the index value in Python, you can give both a positive index as well as negative index. The negative index starts from the last element. Yes, last element is have the value minus 1. So for this question, what is the output? Minus 2. Which element is present in the position minus 2? So last element is minus 1. So and the next element is minus 2. Okay. So what will be the output of this one? 8. Okay. The result of this question is 8. Option B, 8 is the answer. And then see the next question. If list equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then list of 2 equal to 35. What you have to do in this question? We just add the element 35 to this list. Yes, we are adding one more element to this existing list. In what position you are adding? Second position. Now you can see 0, 1, 2. In second position, which element is there? 30. The element 30 is moved right side, and then the new element 35 will be inserted. Okay. So here we can add, here we can modify, changing the value. Okay, in list 2 we are changing the value, instead of 30 we are changing the value 35. So we get the output 10, 20, 35, 40, 50. That is option C. Now you can see the program code for this question, sir. So now I can see the program code for this questions. So see the first one, list 1 of minus 2. What will be the out for this? We just see this one. So what is the output will be provided? 8. The output of that question, that is minus 2, index position minus 2. What is the value is displayed? 8. And then the second question. So what is the second question? So if you are modifying the value present in the existing list, which value you can modify in index position 2. So changing the value, we already studied how to change the element present in the list by using the equal to operator. So list of 2 equal to 35. So in the index position 2, instead of 30 we are changing to 35. Now you can see the output of this one. So now you can see 10, 20, 35, 40, 50. So this is the answer. Okay. Is it clear? So this is which option? C. Option C will be the answer. And then see the next program. That is the third one. Third one, we are using append function to append the element 32 in the existing list. Append means the elements can be added at the end of the list. Yes. So what will be the output? 17, 23, 41, 10, 32. Okay. Now you can see the output of this one also. So now you can see 17, 23, 41, 10, 32. Okay. Is it clear? Now is it clear to these three functions? Okay, students. In the next video class, we continue in the remaining topics on this chapter. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you.